It's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be going ahead and applying the last 5 headband wigs that I created on my channel. I do have type 4C natural textured hair, but currently I have a silk press because I needed to get a trim of my hair. So do not think that you have to have your hair flat ironed really flat in order for you to apply your wigs. That is false. I've applied my wigs with my natural 4C textured hair before. All you have to do is make sure you slick your hair back down really flat and make a bun in the back section of your head. Now I'm going to go in with my Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade, and I'm just going to apply this just to the edges of my hair just to smooth them out and make them really flat. I like to be pretty generous when I'm applying this to my edges because this stuff right here lays my edges down flat all day long. My edges do not budge whenever I use this product. Now, once you completely finish applying the product, you want to take a brush and just brush the product back, and your edges will look nice and smooth like this. This is literally how I wear my hair underneath my headband wigs because it is so quick and easy to do, and my wigs still look flawless whenever I do this. The first wig that I'm going to be applying is the Goddess Faux Lock headband wig that I created, and this is in the color 1B Burgundy, and this hair is from a company called One More Hair on Amazon. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box below if you guys are interested. And when I tell you, these locks are so lightweight, they are so lightweight. I can literally flip these locks in any direction and I will not have any problems with these locks. They do not tangle or anything like that, and I just love the little ringlet curls on the end of these locks as well. The cap that I used to construct this wig is the Crochet Wig Cap by Shake and Go, and the reason why I love using this cap is because they already have combs built in, and the combs are very important because that's what will allow the wigs not to slip off of your head. Now, as far as the headband, I did get this headband from my local beauty supply store, and I love this particular headband because of how wide the band is, and the wider the band, the more coverage you'll get around the edge of your wig. And this is just a cute half up, half down style that I decided to style and show you guys as well. Now, this next wig is my absolute favorite wig, and I actually wore this wig the most out of all of the wigs in this video. And this wig, I used the Outré X-pression twisted up springy Afro twist hair to construct this wig. Now, this hair is really supposed to be used to make a like kinky twist type of a style, but I love this hair because of the texture of it. The texture of this hair literally matches my hair texture to the T, and that's why I fell in love with this hair the most, because I love wearing hair that mimics my natural hair. I do have another crochet style with this exact hair that I want to show you guys, so comment down below in the comment section and let me know if you guys want to see that, because I absolutely love this hair. And let me not forget to let you guys know that this hair is super duper lightweight. This next wig is a passion twist hair headband wig, and it is in the color 1B, and this hair is from a company called One More Hair on Amazon, and I like this hair because of the ringlet curls. Now this hair is really supposed to be used to make long passion twists, but I decided not to go that route with this hair because I wanted to try something different, and so this is what I came up with. Now this wig is absolutely lightweight, like you do not feel this on your head whatsoever, and the fact that this wig literally comes right above my shoulders, it just made it that much more easier to wear and easier to manage. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check this hair company out. This next wig is a 28-inch kinky straight headband wig that I created using a dome cap, and I just love this wig. Now this hair is from my website MissUniqueBeautii.maven.com. I will leave that in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and check this hair out. But this hair, when I tell you guys, is so soft to the touch, and it mimics my natural hair when my natural hair is blow dried. When I wore this hair, guys, I got so many compliments, and so many people thought this was actually my natural hair. And guys, look at it. It literally does look like my natural hair. I love this wig. Now for this wig, I did style it in a half up, half down style because I just felt like that was the best style for me to wear in this wig. But you can style this hair however you want. You can also color this wig a different color if you decide to go that route as well. Now right here, I'm showing you guys how long this hair is on me, and it reaches me pretty far down. Now I am going to show you guys what this wig looks like when it's all straight down so that you can get a feel of what it looks like all down. And this wig right here is just 28 inches of love. I do have another separate video coming that is featuring this same exact wig, and you guys do not want to miss that video because it's going to be another easy way you can style this wig on your head as well. This last wig is a 40-inch Nu Loc headband wig, and the hair that I used to create this wig is from a company called Medo Hair on Amazon. Now I do have a video showing exactly how I extended these locks, and I used an 18-inch pack of hair and a 24-inch pack of hair, and I connected both of those packs of hair together to create these 40-inch locks. I will link the link to the video that I created showing exactly how I created this wig and how I was able to extend these locks as well. This wig right here is a banger. This wig is definitely a showstopper. This wig is for the bold. Like if you want some 40-inch long locks that will reach to your knees, this is that hair for you. Now I will say that because this wig is extremely long, it does have some weight to it. So if you are the type of person that just wants to put this wig on and take it off at night, this wig is perfect for you. I will not suggest sleeping in this wig because this wig is a lot of hair, and I don't know, for me personally, I can't sleep with this much hair in my head at night. But this wig is absolutely gorgeous and is absolutely beautiful, and I did this cute little top knot bun at the top so that you guys can see a different style that you can do with this wig. And I just love this wig. Even though it's heavy, this wig is still beautiful. I just want y'all to check out this texture shot and this length shot and this next clip and just enjoy it. This video was part 3 of me applying my DIY headband wigs, and I really hope that you guys loved all the wigs that I created in this series, and let me know if you guys want to see more. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!